Have you ever thought that just 1 minute could make a difference in your life? It sounds crazy, right? But trust me, when it comes to planking, it's true. I've seen it firsthand with the people I've trained. 1 minute of planking every day can lead to some amazing changes in your body and mind. I used to think planking was just another exercise. Boy, was I wrong. It's like a secret weapon for a stronger, healthier you. And the best part is, anyone can do it. You don't need fancy equipment or hours of free time. Just you, the floor, and 60 seconds. Now, you might be thinking, Joe, 1 minute? That's it? Yep, that's all it takes to start seeing and feeling the benefits. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. Over time, that 1 minute a day adds up, transforming your body from the inside out. So, are you ready to unlock your inner strength and transform your body one plank at a time? Let's dive in and explore the incredible benefits that await you on this exciting journey. Let's talk about your core. It's not just about six-pack abs, you know. Your core is like the foundation of your house. It keeps everything stable and strong. And planking is like hiring the best builders to reinforce that foundation. When you plank, you're working all the muscles in your midsection, not just the ones you can see. We're talking deep, stabilizing muscles that support your spine, improve your posture, and help prevent those pesky backaches. Think of it like this. Your core is like a tree trunk, and your limbs are the branches. A strong trunk supports strong branches. Planking strengthens your trunk, allowing you to move with more power, stability, and control. So forget those crunches that only work your superficial abs. Planking is where it's at if you want a truly strong and functional core that benefits your entire body. Now let's talk about how planking can sculpt your midsection. We all want a strong, toned core, right? Planking is like a sculptor's chisel, shaping and defining your muscles for that fit and healthy look we all crave. Remember those deep core muscles we talked about? Well, planking activates them like no other exercise can. It's like giving your core a workout from the inside out, tightening and toning those muscles for a flatter, more defined stomach. But it's not just about aesthetics. A strong core also improves your posture, making you stand taller and more confident. It's like having an invisible corset that supports your spine and improves your overall appearance. So if you're looking for a way to sculpt your midsection, improve your posture, and feel confident in your own skin, look no further than the mighty plank. Hold on, it gets even better. Planking isn't just about building muscle. It's a secret weapon for boosting your metabolism too. Think of it like this. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Planking, by engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, turns your body into a calorie-burning machine. It's like hitting the turbo button on your metabolism, helping you torch calories and manage your weight more effectively. Imagine this. You're watching your favorite TV show and your metabolism is working overtime, burning calories in the background. That's the power of planking. It's like having a personal trainer with you 24/7, even when you're not actively working out. So, ditch those fad diets and embrace the plank. It's a sustainable, effective, and empowering way to boost your metabolism, manage your weight, and feel fantastic. Section 5. Improving posture, standing tall with planking. Let's be honest, how many of us slouch in front of our computers or hunch over our phones? Guilty as charged. But don't worry, planking is here to the rescue. It's like a superhero for your posture, helping you stand taller and more confident. Think about it. Planking strengthens the muscles that support your spine, your back, chest, and core. These muscles act like scaffolding, holding your body upright and preventing slouching. It's like giving your back a much-needed hug. Good posture not only makes you look and feel better, but it also improves your breathing, digestion, and even your mood. It's amazing how something as simple as standing tall can have such a profound impact on your overall well-being. So ditch the slouch and embrace the plank. Your spine will thank you, and you'll radiate confidence with every step you take. Section 6. Enhancing balance and coordination. Here's another perk of planking. It's like a secret weapon for improving your balance and coordination. Think of it like this. Planking challenges your stability, forcing your body to work together as a unit to maintain that straight line from head to toe. Just like a tightrope walker needs incredible balance, planking trains your body to find its center of gravity and maintain equilibrium. It's like giving your brain a workout too, improving communication between your mind and muscles. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve your performance or just want to feel more steady on your feet, planking can help. It's like laying the foundation for better movement, agility, and coordination in all aspects of your life. So, step up your game and embrace the plank. You'll be amazed at how much stronger, more balanced, and coordinated you feel in everything you do. Section 7. The mental benefits of planking. Now let's talk about something truly fascinating, the mental benefits of planking. You might be thinking, Joe, it's just an exercise. But trust me, planking is like a mini meditation for your mind, helping you feel calmer, more focused, and in control. Think about it. When you plank, you're holding a challenging position, focusing on your breath and quieting your thoughts. It's like a mini escape from the daily grind, allowing you to tune into your body and find a sense of stillness. Studies have shown that planking can help reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and even improve your mood. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. So, next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, ditch the phone and hit the floor for a plank. You'll be amazed at how this simple exercise can clear your mind, boost your spirits, and leave you feeling calm, centered, and in control. Section 8. A plank a day. Building consistency for long-term results. Now, let's talk about consistency. We've all been there, starting a new workout routine with the best intentions, only to fall off the wagon after a few days. But here's the thing about planking. It's so simple, so accessible, that it makes consistency easy. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't dream of skipping this daily habit, right? Well, planking should be no different. It's just a minute out of your day, a small investment for long-term results. Start by incorporating a 1-minute plank into your daily routine. Do it first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or right before bed, whatever works best for you. The key is to make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Over time, that 1 minute a day will add up, transforming your body and mind in ways you never thought possible. Remember, consistency is key. So, make a commitment to yourself and embrace the plank your future self will thank you. Section 9. Listening to your body. Planking safely and effectively. Now, before you jump into planking with gusto, let's talk about safety. It's important to listen to your body and make sure you're planking correctly to avoid any injuries. First things first, form is crucial. Imagine a straight line running from your head to your heels. Engage your core, tuck your pelvis, and squeeze your glutes to maintain that straight line throughout the plank. If you're new to planking, start with shorter holds, say 10 to 15 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. There's no shame in starting small, it's all about progress, not perfection. And remember, never push through pain. If you feel any sharp or shooting pain, stop immediately and consult with a qualified healthcare professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. So, listen to your body, focus on proper form, and gradually increase your plank time. Planking should be challenging, but not painful. Enjoy the journey and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 10. Planking variations. Taking it to the next level. Once you've mastered the basic plank, it's time to spice things up with some variations. Just like adding different spices to your food enhances the flavor, incorporating plank variations adds a fun and challenging twist to your workout routine. Think of it like this. The basic plank is your foundation, and the variations are like adding different building blocks to create a stronger, more resilient structure. There are endless possibilities. For an extra challenge, try lifting one leg or arm at a time during your plank. This variation targets your core stabilizers even more, improving your balance and coordination. Another great variation is the forearm plank. This variation places less stress on your wrists and engages your core in a slightly different way. It's a great option if you have wrist pain or simply want to switch things up. The key is to have fun and experiment with different variations. Challenge yourself, listen to your body, and find what works best for you. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and it's also the key to a well-rounded and engaging workout routine. Section 11. Embrace the plank, your journey to a stronger you. So there you have it. The incredible benefits of planking, all packed into 1 minute a day. Who knew such a simple exercise could have such a profound impact on your body and mind? From sculpting your midsection and boosting your metabolism to improving your posture, balance, and even your mental well-being, planking is a true game changer. It's like discovering a secret weapon for unlocking your inner strength and achieving your fitness goals. But remember, it's not just about the physical changes. Planking is about building consistency, challenging yourself, and celebrating your progress along the way. It's about embracing a healthier, happier, and more empowered you. So, what are you waiting for? Join the plank revolution today. Challenge yourself to a 1-minute plank every day, and see how this simple exercise can transform your life, one plank at a time. You've got this.